Hello, my name is Priscilla Sangama and I'm an engineer at Airborne. For all the kids at home today, we're going to be learning a fun arts and craft project. I'm going to be teaching you how to create a paper airplane that will fly far. Okay kids, you're going to get a plain piece of paper like that and you're going to fold it hot dog style like this. Like that. And then open it up like that. You're gonna fold one corner inboard like this. Do the same on the other side. Like that. Okay, next you're gonna turn it over like this, and then you're gonna fold it in half at that crease right there. Like that. Then you're gonna grab this end and fold it over, following this line right here. Like such. Okay, now flip it over to the other side, and then you're gonna do the same thing on this side. Make sure that you're getting this sharp really nice and smooth, and that this edge goes along this edge right here, okay? Such like that. Now the sharper and the smoother your tip is, the farther it will fly. Okay, next you're gonna do the same thing. Make sure this edge aligns with this edge right here. Just like that. Now don't do the same mistake I just did. Don't crease your wings. And you're gonna turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Make sure this edge lines with this edge right there. Again, make sure your tip is nice and smooth. And then go ahead and fold open the wings like such. And bam, that is your finished product. Okay kids, this is your final product. I hope you have fun with your paper airplane. Leave a comment down below. Let us know how far your airplane flew.